The world is overrun by data. At Ohalo, we help our customers deal with unstructured data chaos. Now, what does that mean? Well, the UK government's health and safety regulator had a problem. They had 600,000 accident reports that they needed to redact to identify accident trends and help companies save lives. They were manually processing these documents, and when they got to 2000, they realized that it would take them up to 12 and a half years to redact all the information they needed to. So they got in touch with us. In one day, we were able to take all 600,000 documents and redact the information out of it at a 99% accuracy rate, comparable to human redaction, which makes the documents useful and usable for their customers. And that's just one of the organizations we work with. Now, how do we do it? Well, first, we identify with machine learning what data is relevant to the enterprise. Then we extract that data to a usable format. And lastly, we redact that data at scale. Now, where does this come from? Well, after spending 10 years in finance in Tokyo at places like MUFJ Morgan Stanley, I was invited to be an entrepreneur in residence in London, where I dug deep into the privacy and data intelligence space. Now, at the end of this digging, my co-founder and I discovered that we had all we needed with machine learning techniques to blow open this market and change how privacy and legal professionals deal with their data. Which is why the HSC hired us and why we were able to take their problem from a 12.5-year process to a one-day process and reduce their cost by 49x. Now, ultimately, this enables them to identify where accidents are happening and help get workers home safely to their families at the end of the day. People say that data is like uranium. It can be really powerful or really dangerous. We reduce the danger and increase the power of data across data privacy and legal use cases. Now, I just spoke about what we were doing with one of our UK government clients, but I would love the chance to tell you about what we did with Lloyd's Register, or how we're working with Telefonica Group on increasing organizational security, or how we're working with a large financial services firm in the US to reduce their regulatory risk. The market is huge and growing every day as privacy regulations sweep the globe and as enterprises need to get more intelligence out of their data. Now, we've built a great team with experience from across enterprise software to financial services to government and more. We would love to add you to our team when we launch our upcoming funding round. To find out more, please contact us here.